Hello! In this video we're going to talk about how to make an invoice in this Excel template. Start with the customer database. This database will be later on used to bring the addresses of the customers automatically. Other than the addresses, the contact person, phone and email are optional columns for you to track your customers. Once you edit your customers, now you can prepare your invoice in this section. Edit the invoice number, invoice date and due date. Once you edit this section, you can add your logo and then you can choose your customer and bring the bill to and ship to addresses automatically. You can write your items, select the quantity, the unit, and when you also input the unit price, the total price will be calculated automatically. You can have additional rows by pressing on the plus sign. You can change the payment details from here. All you have to do is enter. You can also add other expenses, and if there will be any discount, you can just enter your new discount level and then the total amount will be shown in here automatically. You can also show and hide discount from the drop-down lists. And now you got your invoice. I hope this video was informative enough. Thanks for watching.